Verifying your Klarna account is an important step to ensure secure transactions and access to all of Klarna's features. Here's how to do it. Download the Klarna app. If you haven't already, download the Klarna app from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account. Open the app and sign up for a Klarna account by entering your email address, mobile number, and creating a password. Provide personal information. After signing up, you'll be prompted to enter additional information such as your name, address, and date of birth. This information helps Klarna verify your identity. Verify your email. Check your email for a verification link from Klarna. Click on the link to verify your email address. Verify your phone number. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the app to verify your phone number. Identity verification. Depending on your location and usage, Klarna may ask for further identity verification, such as providing a government-issued ID. Complete the process. Once all information is verified, you will receive a confirmation, and your account will be fully activated for use.